In this issue of ICC in Focus, we are talking to the trial lawyer, Adesola Adeboyejo, from the Office of the Prosecutor. What is the role of the Office of the Prosecutor in the trial proceedings?
Like in national proceedings, the role of the ICC prosecution is to seek justice in the public interest so that crimes don't go unpunished. Our role is to convince the judges that the accused person has committed the crimes as charged. To achieve that goal, we have to demonstrate that every charge or alleged crime is supported by credible, reliable, and trustworthy evidence. We are presenting evidence and calling witnesses who can confirm the alleged facts and circumstances of the commission of the alleged crimes. That is the role of the prosecution, and that's the role that we will have in the trial of Dominic Ongwen.
What are the crimes with which Dominic Ongwen is charged?
Dominic Ongwen faces 70 charges of war crimes and crimes against humanity related to attacks against the civilian population in the former IDP camps of Lukodi, Pajule, Odek, and Abok between October 2003 and June 2004. The specific crimes alleged against him include murder, torture, cruel treatment, and other inhumane acts towards the civilian inhabitants of the camps and enslavement. Dominic Ongwen and other LRA commanders were part of a common plan to abduct women and girls in northern Uganda. And these women and girls were used as forced wives and sex slaves. They were tortured, they were raped, and they were made to serve as domestic help. He also conscripted and used children under the age of 15 years to participate actively in hostilities in the LRA. Dominic Ongwen himself is alleged to have forcibly married, tortured, raped, and sexually enslaved quite a large number of these women.
What kind of evidence are you planning to submit during the trial?
The trial of Dominic Ongwen is one that concerns not only thousands of victims across northern Uganda, but also humanity as a whole, because of the unspeakable nature of the crimes he allegedly committed. Evidence is therefore important not only because of the trial's implications for him as an accused person, but also for all the victims. The judges take decisions based on the evidence. They have to be convinced beyond reasonable doubt that he is responsible for the crimes committed. The prosecution intends to demonstrate that Dominic Ongwen's criminal responsibility by providing a wide variety of evidence. First of all, we're going to have radio communications showing that he ordered and reported on attacks and other crimes against the civilian population. We also have testimonies of various victims of crimes, crime-based victims, but also other witnesses such as LRA fighters or individuals who intercepted radio communications and other such witnesses. We also intend to present forensic reports like photographs, video images, and other documentary evidence.
How long do you think the trial will last?
The trial of Dominic Ongwen may last several months or years, depending on the complexity of the case and challenges that may arise. Cases involving war crimes and crimes against humanity tend to be long and complex because of the number of incidents, extended time period involved in the charges, as well as measures that have to be taken to safeguard the accused's rights, protect the witness's safety, well-being, and security, and facilitate victims' participation. This means that the trial will take some time.